Hello everyone. In today's digital world, most of the people are working from home and looking for good mobile and internet services. Sometimes the internet speed is not as we expected. Starting from December 1st, 2021, the new law comes into the picture, the amendment to the Telecommunication Act, and brings a number of improvements to the customer rights for telephone, internet and mobile phone contract. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Welcome to yet another informative video with me, Priya. Watch this video till the end. Come, let's get started. As a customer, everyone wants to have a good service. The new Telecommunication Amendment Act has 4 important points every customer must know. Point 1. One can terminate the contract if the bandwidth is too low. Second point. Compensation in the event of complete telephone and internet failures if the provider does not rectify the problem within 2 calendar days. Point 3. Shorter notice period. Point 4. Contracts that were previously concluded over telephone must be confirmed by the customer in text form, for example via email. These are the short infos about the new Amendment Act. Now let's see in detail information each and every point. First point is about contract term and termination. One can get out of an automatically extended contract at any point of time with 1 month notice period. For example, in the past, if you are signing a contract which is running for 24 months time period, if you forget to cancel the contract, then it automatically extended for 1 more year. So in that case, you have to pay money for that. To avoid that, the new law tells the automatically extended contract can be cancelled with 1 month notice period. This must help for the most of the people who is worrying about the automatic extension. So in that way, you can save more money. Second point, options for termination or reduction. If the providers do not provide the promised bandwidth and if your internet connection is partially too slow, you can terminate the contract without notice, or even you can reduce your payments as because the service are limited. In order to get this done, you have to prove that the internet connection is slow. For this, you can currently use the broadband measurement of the Federal Network Agency for proof. Don't use some random website to check the speed. I gave link in the description where you can measure the speed, and this can be shown as a proof to your providers. Additionally, you also have a stronger customer rights with offer package. For example, some people opt to buy a combined package of mobile phone plus SIM card. If you can cancel a part of a package because the provider has not kept the contract, then in many cases you can cancel the entire package at the same time. So you can give it back mobile phone and SIM card at the same time, and you can cancel the contract as well. Also new. If you move to a new place of residency and the previous providers does not offer the service there, you can terminate the contract with 1 month notice period. You can give notice of the termination in good time so that it takes effort when you move out. Next point is about the compensation for disruptions in the connection. If there is an upcoming internet connection issue in your area, then the provider must inform you about it before in hand. After you raising a complaint with the company, and if the issue is not resolved after 3rd calendar day, then you are entitled for the compensation, which is 10% of the monthly fee and a minimum of 5 euros. From 5th day, it's 20% of the monthly fee and the minimum of 10 euros. Interesting part, if the provider misses customer service or installation appointments, you are entitled to 20% of the fees, 20% of the contractually agreed monthly fees, but at least 10 euros. Next point is about the summary document before signing a new contract. In future, provider will have to give a contract summary in text form. For example, PDF by email or in printed form. Before you conclude a telephone contract for a landline internet or mobile phone connection, it must be expressly state the contract details of the provider, individual services to be provided, activation fee, and the terms and conditions for renewal and termination. For example, if your provider is providing some new offers over telephone call, in that case, after you conclude the contract, they must provide the text format summary to your email or in a printed form. Next point is about blocking of services by the provider. Provider can block your internet provided if you haven't paid the money for the internet service. It must be minimum at least 100 euros. Additionally, the provider must also inform you 2 weeks in advance. That's it for today. I hope most of the people, those who are struggling with bad internet connection, will be happy after watching this video. If you have any queries about Germany, feel free to book an one-to-one appointment. We are there to guide you out. I will see you in yet another informative video. Until bye-bye from Vanakkam Germany, Priya. Please do subscribe this channel and also forward this message to your friends. Bye.